What's up, people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new in this channel, you are highly and most welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a natural way to get instantly fair skin, instantly toned skin. Okay, now the essence of the video is that it's just going to scrub out the dead skin cells on your skin. It's going to review a brighter and a newer skin, and it's going to help to remove pigments, dark spots and pimples. Okay, and you are going to be glowing. So if you want to know what that is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to share the video, thumbs up, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, if you have any personal curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section, guys. Alright, let's dive into this video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Now for a glowing and brighter skin, we're going to be needing aloe vera. Aloe vera is vast. Aloe vera is great for age spots, pigments and irritations. Aloe vera helps to brighten up the skin and it glows up the skin. Alright, so for the aloe vera, I have just 1 teaspoon of this, so I'm just gonna be putting that into the bowl. And the next ingredients which we're going to be needing is going to be rice. Now for this, we're going to be needing some boiled rice, okay, because we actually need the starch in the rice. Now rice has been used anciently for beauty regime. It helps so much for wrinkles, pigments and irritations, and it also helps to lighten up the skin because it contains the lightening property that helps to leave the skin glowing. And for the rice, I have a boiled and blended rice that contains a lot of starch because we need a whole lot of starch in this ingredients. Okay, so I'm just going to be putting that in. And we're going to be using honey also, because honey is a great moisturizer to the skin, so it will therefore leave the skin glowing, youthful and radiant. Then I'm going to be turning in the honey. And then we're going to be needing just a little bit of moringa powder. Okay, so if you have the moringa's leaf, you can dry it and blend it. That is actually what I did to get this moringa powder. Okay, moringa powder is a great ingredient that helps to leave the skin youthful, younger and radiant. It glows up the skin and removes dead skin cells, therefore brightening up the skin. Okay, so we'll be needing just a little bit of the moringa powder. Just 1 teaspoon of the moringa powder will be perfect. And the next one we're going to be needing is some glycerin. Glycerin and rose water helps to reduce the redness of the skin, and it also helps to remove blackheads, pimples and irritations. And now we're going to be putting in the rose water and glycerin. So we're going to be putting in about 1 teaspoon of that. Then we're going to be mixing it and stirring it up, and it's gonna be superb, wonderful. Alright, so this instant brightening remedy is just what you need, guys. It's gonna help you so much, and it's actually pretty smooth. So here is the treatment, okay, and I'm actually covering this up because I don't need it to just pour on my shoulder. Okay, so you're just going to rub this over your face. I almost put it in my mouth. Alright, rub it everywhere, and it smells good too. I love a treatment that actually smells good, but some treatments don't smell really good like that. But those ones that don't smell good also work. It's kind of smelling very, very discomforting. Okay. So you're just gonna apply it all over your face, your neck, your hand, anywhere you want to just instantly lighten up. You just apply this there, and it's just going to give you that instant lighter skin. Okay, so it's just going to help in removing all the dead skin cells, revealing a brighter and a newer skin. Okay, so that's just the essence of this whole thing. So after which you've actually applied this generously onto your face, then you can leave it on your skin for like 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, let it just sit there and lighten you up, not necessarily drying up, okay, but let it stay there and brighten you up, because it's just gonna give you that instant brighter skin. Okay, for occasion, in case you just want to go out and your skin is actually looking dull or rough, so this is just going to be what you need. So after you've stayed for like 10 to 15 minutes, then you can wash it off. So I'm going to be right back after 10 minutes, although it's not going to be dry very well because of the honey. Then you can wash it off. Okay, you just pour water just the way I'm doing, and let it just wash down. Okay, alright, so when you're done washing this, then you're just going to use a soap, a toilet soap or any mild soap, to just remove the excess of this thing on your face, and your skin is just going to give you that instant glow. Like seriously, this is just going to be so good right now. Alright, so for this treatment you have to use it about 5 times in a week. Okay, if you can use it every day for the space of weeks, just 2 weeks, and you're going to get a very much visible result. Okay, but for the first 3 days you start using it, you are going to be loving it, guys, because it's just going to lighten your skin. So that's it, guys. That's just how you are going to get a brighter, a fairer, and a more toned skin using this natural home remedy. Don't underrate it. Like, trust me, it's so great, it's so good. It's just going to help to get rid of all of that. So if you did love this video, please don't forget to share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up the video, and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box. And if you want to ask me personal, curious, or beauty questions, drop them on my website. Okay, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Follow me on Instagram, and bye guys, and